3 Bitcoin-ready business models for 2026. In business, you can either follow the map or you can draw it. For the last 50 years, the map has been the same for every entrepreneur. You build your business using the dollar. You save in dollars. You measure your success in dollars. But what if I told you that the map is leading you off a cliff? What if the very foundation of that map, the dollar itself, is crumbling beneath your feet? In our last video, we talked about the institutional starting gun fired by BlackRock. That wasn't just a signal to buy an asset, it was a signal that the map is being redrawn. And in this new world, your business model is either built for the future or it is a relic of the past. Today, we are not talking about Bitcoin as something you just simply buy. We're talking about it as something you build around. These are the 3 Bitcoin-ready business models for 2026. And one of them is the blueprint for your future. Now, welcome back. My name is CF Hutter, and if your business buys Bitcoin, you can call me Chauncey. I help entrepreneurs build exponential wealth safely and securely using Bitcoin. The fatal mistake entrepreneurs make is seeing Bitcoin as just another line item on a balance sheet. They treat it like a stock or a bond or a piece of real estate. That's 2020 thinking. The winners of 2026 and beyond understand that Bitcoin isn't just an asset, it's an operating system. It's global, it's incorruptible, it's 24/7 financial network that you can integrate directly into the DNA of your company. So let's get tactical, can we? Here are the 3 new business models. Which one of these fits you? Business model number 1, the digital fortress. This is the foundational model. It's the service provider, the consultant, the manufacturer, the agency owner. Your core business is excellent, but you operate in a world of melting money. Your challenge is wealth preservation. The digital fortress model treats your business as a powerful cash flow engine and your treasury as an impenetrable vault. Here's the strategy. You run your day-to-day operations in fiat. You make payroll. You pay your vendors. You treat your profits with the respect they deserve. Instead of letting your retained earnings sit in a bank account losing 10 or 15% of their value to real inflation every year, real inflation, you convert them into the world's only appreciating long-term savings asset. You sweep a percentage of your profits, 5%, 20%, 50%, whatever your strategy dictates, into a secure, self-custodied Bitcoin. You're not speculating, you are saving. You are swapping weak money for strong money. You are building a fortress around your hard-earned value that no central bank can tear down. This model doesn't require you change your core business at all. It just changes your outcome. From guaranteed loss to programmatic growth. This is the simplest, most powerful upgrade any business owner can make today. Model 2, the Global Accelerator. This model is for e-commerce brands, the SaaS companies, the content creator, the digital entrepreneur. Your business is already borderless. Okay, your customers are everywhere. But your financial plumbing is stuck in the 1970s. You deal with international wire fees, 3% credit card processing cuts, frozen accounts, and payment delays. You're in the 21st century business running on a 20th century monetary network. The Global Accelerator model uses Bitcoin and the Lightning Network as a strategic weapon. First, you accept Bitcoin payments. You give your customers a cheaper, faster way to pay, and you get instant final settlement. No chargebacks, no middlemen taking a cut. Second, you pay your international contractors and suppliers in Bitcoin. Imagine sending a payment to a developer in Vietnam or a supplier in Germany and having it arrive in 3 seconds for a fraction of a penny. That's not some future promise. That is reality today on the Lightning Network. This model transforms your operational efficiency. It cuts costs, it reduces friction, it opens you up to a global market of customers and talent that your competition, who are still stuck on Swift and PayPal, can't even touch. You become faster, leaner, and more resilient. You are no longer just an international business, you are a truly global one. And finally, number 3, the capital multiplier. This is the most advanced strategy. It's for entrepreneurs who are ready to play offense at the highest level. The capital multiplier sees Bitcoin not as a money, but a pristine, unhypothecated collateral. The old model of raising capital is broken. You either sell equity and give away a piece of your company, or you take on fiat debt from a bank, shackling yourself to their terms and their broken money. The capital multiplier model flips that script. You build a strong treasury of Bitcoin, your digital fortress. Then, when you need capital to expand, to acquire a competitor, or to invest in new equipment, you don't sell your Bitcoin. You use it as collateral to borrow against it. This allows you to unlock liquidity and fund your growth, while your core Bitcoin holdings continue to appreciate in the background. You get the capital you need without giving away ownership or selling your best performing asset. This is how Michael Saylor scaled strategy. It's how the most forward-thinking companies are turning their balance sheets into growth engines. It turns your treasury from a defensive shield into an offensive weapon. The digital fortress, the global accelerator, the capital multiplier. These aren't just theories. They are the emerging playbooks for success in the new financial reality. While your competitors are still debating the price of Bitcoin, you can be re-architecting your entire business around these principles: speed and security and sovereignty. You can build a business that doesn't just survive in the coming financial shifts, but one that is designed to thrive in them. The choice is yours. Will you continue to use a map that leads to a dead end? Or will you be one of the few who dares to draw a new one? If you are ready to start drawing that map, I've laid out the complete blueprint. It's my ebook, Bitcoin Secrets: How to Build a Successful Business Using Unstoppable Money. It goes deeper into these models. It provides a step-by-step framework for the security protocols and the strategic mindset you need to execute. Click the link in the description. Get the playbook that your competitors don't have. Now, in my next video, I'm going to discuss why the most powerful nations on earth are secretly adding Bitcoin to their reserves and what it means for you. Subscribe now. The future waits for no one. It's Bitcoin time.